Hello and welcome to this unboxing of my car boot sale find. So, rummaging around the car boot sale, I saw this up for sale, and it looks like it came with a copy of the newspaper, or you sent off for it. But it inspired me. I thought to myself, I haven't done a model for years. Let's do one. So I picked it up. Looks like it's never been opened before. All the sellotape seems to be all the seals seem to be all sort of shut still. So let's open it up and see what's inside. On the box, let's have a look. Front of the box, really nice picture of a Spitfire there. It says up the top here, it comes with, was it 3 paints, a brush, and a poly cement. I haven't seen a year on the box at all, but I imagine these paints are going to be dry as, it'll be absolutely no good for anything. So on the back, we've got our visual of what we're going to do with the decals and the colours. I'm going to try and paint it to my best ability. Probably won't be able to use their paints, but if I can, I will. On this side, picture, it's a skill level 1, so the most basic you can get, and you can get 1 flying hour. So with these, you collect these, put them into like a little passport or something, I think it is, and you can send them off to collect, get a free model to do. As you can see, the box is a little bit beaten up. There we go. Right, let's cut it open. Okay, put the box to one side. So, looks like we've got a little flyer to join the official Airfix club. And this is what we're talking about with the flying hours. You can collect those to... so if anyone wants to, grab a screenshot of that. Oh wow, look, costs only that much. I bet it costs more than that these days. And then we got the decals. Very nice decals, these ones. They still look really good condition. Very nice indeed. And then we have the instructions. So it does talk about the sort of, you've got glues and things, so probably not the safest things around. And you know what? Relatively simple instructions, aren't they? Just a simple bit of A4 paper, all black and white. Very nice. And there is the back. So it looks like we get the choice. We can either have the wheels down or the wheels up in flying mode. Yeah, we've got here. That's good. Let's have a look at what we got in the pack. Well, that's good to see. It's all still sealed up. Let's bring the scissors back and pull everything out. So the brush we got, I'll get this to focus, is a number 2 Humbrol Airfix. It's quite nice. A protector on it. My goodness. If anyone can see, but this brush head is rock solid, so hopefully, yeah, that feels good. Keep that hidden away there. Now for paints. So we've got 3 colours. Give him a shake, see if it does anything. Absolutely nothing. I reckon these are probably bone dry inside. Oh no, there's still some liquid there. Might be able to use those. So the numbers, they've got prints on top. We've got 163, 33, 29. And here's our clear. I'll keep it in its bag to keep it safe. Nicely done. Doesn't look like there's any flash. And then we've got 2 sprues. My word, the detail on these, absolutely fantastic. And check out on the underside of the plane that, what a brilliant little set. Well, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy putting this together. Excellent. Well, there you go. There's the unboxing of this Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A. Came with a newspaper. And if you want to see the building, check out the build video. See you then.